Hey there, welcome back to iOS YouTube channel, and this is my old Redmi 4X, and today I have installed EOS based on Android 13 on it. So let's first set up the ROM and then I will show you the features and looks of it. Fingerprint works perfectly fine in this ROM. And now as you can see, this ROM looks completely identical to iOS, basically iOS 16 or later. And now let me show you the Easter egg of it, which is Android 13. The ROM is very stable and looks completely identical to iOS. Fingerprint is fast, reliable, and it works perfectly fine here. Battery backup is also good in this ROM. The free storage is about 25 to 26 GB as well. Dark mode and other features of the display also perfectly works here. You can also adjust the display size to make it look more like iOS. This ROM is micro G build. Basically it does not have Play Store, but it has its separate app store and you can install apps from that. It uses micro G to work. The video and picture quality of this ROM is better than stock. And this is the app store. It won't work as I'm not connected to the internet, but you can use completely fine. The UI of most of the apps also look completely identical to iOS. Even the QS panel has similar looks. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more videos like this.